Yes, students. Next one, the important compound of nitrogen. Here we are going to discuss the two compound. First one ammonia and one more nitric acid preparation. Okay. Laboratory method. Laboratory method. Okay. I am only giving the chemical equation. It is prepared by using ammonium sulfate with sodium hydroxide. Okay, with the reaction of it forms ammonia plus sodium sulfate plus water, but it is prepared only in small scale. It is therefore called what? Laboratory method of preparation. You can prepare it in laboratory also, but the commercial method is commercially prepared by. Tell me, what is its commercial method? You all know what is this? Prepared by Haber process. Okay, in Haber process, 1 mole nitrogen or 1 part nitrogen gas is treated with 3 mole hydrogen gas. Okay, using a particular set of condition to form ammonia. Student, the enthalpy of this reaction is minus 92.4 kilojoule per mole. Getting? Therefore, the important set of conditions to which the yield can be maximized, condition to which yield that is production yield can be maximized are as first one, the temperature. Student, it is very important thing. Actually what? The forward reaction. Okay, you can see here it is exothermic in nature. Therefore, there should be requirement of low temperature. But if there will be low temperature, then the nitrogen being almost inert at low temperature will not react properly to produce large number of ammonia. Actually, we need large amount of ammonia per year. Therefore, there is a compromise of optimum temperature. Okay, optimum temperature, and this optimum temperature is 700 Kelvin temperature, to which there will be good quality as well as the large scale production. The second one is pressure. Student, you can see here the gases are involved, okay, as a reactant, and also the gas is formed. Okay, but the number of mole of gases are 1 plus 3 is equal to 4, while here what? 2 moles. Therefore, according to Le Chatelier principle, the high pressure required, and this high pressure is 200 to 300 atmospheric pressure. Okay, third one, as you know, here we need large scale of ammonia per annum. Therefore, we have to increase its production. Therefore, a specific type of catalyst are used here. These catalysts are iron oxide. Okay, and one more thing, to increase its production, that is activity of catalyst, a promoter is used. This promoter is molybdenum. So student, this is very important reaction. Often it is asked in the exam in the form of write the conditions to which the production of ammonia can be maximized using the Haber process. Okay, now the properties of ammonia. Okay, it is gas. Okay, colorless. Okay, and highly pungent smell. soluble in water, that is fairly soluble in water. It is because same type of attraction force is present in this ammonia. Okay, chemical properties. Chemical properties in ammonia NH3, there is a lone pair, so it act as Lewis base. Lewis base, hence forms covalent bond. Forms covalent coordinate bond with what? Metal. With what? Metal, and forms coordinate compound. Coordinate compounds. Like here, when it reacts with copper sulfate solution, the light blue color of copper sulfate solution, okay, when react with NH3, now NH3 donates its 4 lone pair to copper, forming a complex called CuNH3 4 times 2 cation. So this is the complex. It is of what? Deep blue color. Okay, some more properties are there. More properties of ammonia is there. Like I am just telling you some more property which you can refer from the book. Like here, it reacts, ammonia reacts with some more elements. Like you can discuss reaction with silver chloride solution. You can also discuss some reactions with bleaching powder. You can write some more reaction with hydrochloric acid forming NH4Cl. Like during the practical, we have seen when the nitrogen containing compound is heated, or like the ammonia containing compound is heated, it releases NH3, and when it is introduces with the HCl, it forms dense white fume. This is due to formation of NH4Cl. Here you can see the reaction NH3 plus HCl reacts to give NH4Cl. Okay.